Alright. America. So, now we got the rotor off. Simplest rotor you could ever imagine, of course. Comes right off. Take the calipers off. And another first for me here. Have you ever not had a problem with the axle nut? Like literally, there's no marks on here. I have not used a tool, and it's just coming on off. Not a good sign. Not a good sign. Time to replace that one, huh? Hips. So it'll do up and then a D-bop. Two-bop should be a beep-beep, and you're done. So I'm going to take this off, but just wanted to share that with you. Kind of mind-blowing.